Let's say you just downloaded BuddyPress and you want to make some changes in some fields of your users' profiles. For example, if you have added the ages or birthdays of customers, and you want to edit these fields on hundreds of your users, it will take you several hours because you need to edit your users individually. And what makes it even more complicated is that the BuddyPress plugin displays the profile fields in an additional tab. However, with the WP Sheet Editor User's Spreadsheet plugin, you can edit hundreds of products at once with just a few clicks. Just install the plugin and then start making changes to hundreds of your BuddyPress fields. It's really simple, and only takes very little time. You'll find the link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. In addition to being able to edit your default user fields in the spreadsheet, you can also edit the fields you have created with the BuddyPress plugin. Right after you create the profile fields, they will appear in the user spreadsheet and you can start editing them. In this example, we'll edit the age column to add different ages to some of our customers. To do this, just go to the cell and select the ages from the drop-down menu. Once you're done, don't forget to save the changes. To edit hundreds of profile fields at once, you need to open the bulk edit tool. First, we must select the profiles we'll update, whether you have already performed a search, selected the profiles to edit, or if you want to filter the profiles from here. To show you how the search works, we'll select this option, which will open the search tool. This tool allows you to filter your profiles through a series of search parameters that you can use individually or even combine with each other. In this example, we'll search for all customer profiles. So we'll select the customer option here and run the search. After the profiles have been filtered, we'll be redirected back to the bulk edit tool. Now you can choose the BuddyPress field you want to edit. In this case, we'll pick the age field. Select set value. And we'll insert the age here. Finally, execute the changes. Definitely, the WP Editor User's Spreadsheet plugin makes your life easier, as it helps you save time and simplify the management of hundreds of WordPress profiles. Remember that you'll find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.